Hey boo kitties, hey boo hey, what's good y'all? It's the girl with the guy's name, 5 Head Gang, you know what I'm saying? And I'm back with another video teaching you how to edit and flex and slay all on your iPhone 8, all on your iPhone 8. And shout out to my new boo kitties, welcome, and hey boo hey to my returning boos. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create comp cards for unsigned models or aspiring models on your pocket camera. But before we get right into this video, for those of you who have always wanted to launch your YouTube channel, for those of you who are struggling to reach your monetization requirements, the power of manifestation, the power of planning, the power of strategy, the power of organizing, I got you covered, baby girl. So make sure you click that link in my bio so that you can purchase your YouTube Queen Manifestation to Monetization Planner. And I am manifesting that I'm going to help over 111 YouTube queens, YouTube kings launch and monetize your. Okay, so we're going to jump into Canva, type flyer as your template. Make sure you choose the 5.5 by 8.5 option, okay? Now, once we're here, you are going to click uploads and you're going to upload the 4 images or the images that you would like to add to your comp card. So just to save this step, I already uploaded all of my images on this second page. So I'm just going to be dragging it up just to make this video a bit more swift and not as tedious, because I want to show you how easy it is for you aspiring models and unsigned models to create your own comp cards so that you can come off as professional as possible without an agency or representation. So basically what I'm doing, you guys, I'm just taking each image from my portfolio. Now also, this is just something else I want to say. Stay tuned for the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you should be creating your digitals as an unsigned model without representation, the digitals that I suggest that you create. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just using my portfolio pictures, okay? But stay to the end of this video so that you can see what type of digitals you should be creating, what images you should be using as an unsigned model, as an inspiring model, okay? So basically, as you can see, what I just did, I just dragged and just resized all of the images, kept white space in between each, kept more white space at the bottom so that I can add text, which is going to be my name, okay? You put your first and last name, but I'm putting my first and middle name, Ryan Michelle, Orion Michele, as such. And if you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. This is what I love. I love demonstrating how to create content for your business, for your brand, for yourself, for marketing, all on your pocket camera on a budget, because this is what I do, her MELANIN pocket camera coach. And shout out to all of my new boo-boo kitties as well. So what I did was I like this really sleek font. So I did Afra, and then I added text again. I did a subheading because right here at the bottom, you are going to be adding your stats. Now, I'm going to show you 3 ways how to do your your comp card. This is the first way, okay? The first way that you can do it is you can do everything on just one page with no back, okay? Or you can do a double-sided comp card, which I'll demonstrate and show you in just a bit. So if you were doing everything on just one side, you would do your name here in the larger font, and then you would just add subheadings of your stats. Now for ladies, you should do your height, your waist, your hips, your shoe size, your dress size, your bust, your cup size, your eye color, and your hair color. And for men, you just want to do the exact same thing, but instead of dress, you would do pant size, you would add your inseam, and yeah. So this is just what I'm doing just to demonstrate for you guys. I'm just kind of like going in and I'm just adding all of those stats and such, because this is what should be on your comp card. Don't include your age on the comp card. I don't care how young or old you are. Do not include your age on the comp card. Just your stats. And this is how you can do your digitals, okay? Boom. This is option number 1. This is option number 1 here. Once again, your images, your name, and stats all on one side. Now, the second option that you can do is, I'm waiting. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to show you here. The second option you can do is double-sided. So on the front, you can have one of your digital images. You always want to have a digital image as the front if you ever do double side, so that the casting agent can see how you look in your natural element with your name here, and then the back can be 4 other pictures with your stats. So that's option number 2, okay? But this right here is how unsigned models, you guys should be doing your images just like this. This is how I did it for the video. Make sure that you subscribe.